Don't give me your
I started again. Go ahead.
Okay, so we're unboxing the 2025 Death Star. So we cut it open. We have all the minifigures on here. You know, we got Luke Skywalker. We got Luke Skywalker from when he's like disguised as a stormtrooper. We got Luke Skywalker in his Jedi uniform. We got Princess Leia. And we have Han Solo.
Mm-hmm.
We also have Han Solo in his stormtrooper disguise. We obviously have Chewbacca and Obi-Wan Kenobi. We have C-3PO, and he has his little like metal silver part there.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have R2-D2. We have Grand Moff Tarkin. We obviously have Darth Vader. Now we have Emperor Palpatine and Imperial Dignitary.
Dignitary.
We have Colonel Yularen, Admiral Mahdi.
Mm-hmm.
We have General Taj, Director Krennic.
Yeah.
Krennic. We have Galen Erso.
Okay.
Then we have 5D6RA7.
Okay.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 6 stormtroopers. Could have included more. We have 2 Imperial gunners.
Yeah.
2 Imperial crew members.
Yeah.
We have an Imperial Navy trooper.
Yeah.
And then we have 2 Imperial Navy troopers.
Okay.
We have Imperial Navy officers.
Okay.
1 Imperial Navy officer. And an
R2-D2.
Imperial shuttle pilot.
Okay.
We also have the Imperial Royal Guard, 2 Imperial Royal
see
Guards.
those? Yeah.
R3T6.
Oh, that's not R2-D2?
No,
Okay.
this is
R2-D2's
And-
up there.
finally the best part of the set. We have the Hot Tub Stormtrooper
The hot tub
from the
storm.
Skywalker saga.
He's a hot tub stormtrooper? Alright, go ahead.
Because he's chilling in the hot tub. Okay, and then we have blueprints of the entire Death Star with the inside.
Okay.
Now we have
Now we open it.
we have a mention of like Grand Moff Tarkin, and he has a quote.
Those are the
here.
people that are the commanders of the Death Star.
Fear I will keep the local systems in line. Fear of this battle station.
Okay.
And we have him like looking off into this
Okay.
here.
We
Now
have
we
3
have
boxes. Yeah.
Now we have 3 boxes.
Okay.
This one's kind of hard to take out. Right. Okay, so this is box 1.
Okay.
It's heavy.
Be careful. Put in the sink, Elliot.
And
Please.
then here we have the different colored lightsabers. We have red, green, and blue for the Jedi's.
Okay.
Okay.
No, just put it on the table. Let's not put it back in the box. Put it on the table.
Okay.
Next to it. Yeah, there you go.
Keep taking it. Now we have Yeah, and then this one's the red lightsaber. And then we have the second one, not as heavy. And this time it's the green lightsaber.
Wow.
And then finally we have the third one with the one of the Jedi blue lights.
Okay. All right, so is that the end of the unboxing? Getting the boxes out?
Yeah, I
Okay,
guess.
for now.